I think he proved that he can play the kind of efficient, mistake-free football that the Eagles are going to need him to play if they're going to get to and win a Super Bowl. He needs some help, and Doug Peterson, I thought, coached a very good game, particularly in the second half when he kind of sped up the tempo of the Eagles' offense, put Foles in more run-pass option situations and play calls, which Foles is very comfortable in. And Foles played a much better game than he had played in those last two regular season games against the Raiders and the Cowboys. And I'd argue he played even better than he did in that 4-touchdown performance he had against the Giants. He looked confident. He was able to get the ball down the field a little bit. He found Alshon Jeffrey late in the first half and early in the second half, and that made a difference. So he showed that he can do the things the Eagles will need him to do.